Good afternoon, students. So in this particular class, we move on to the next problem. So here in this problem, we are going to determine the single force required and its angle of inclination. This is also very important problem. Several times asked in the TU examination. So please take the problem. In the triangle ABC, shown in figure, force at A produces a clockwise moment of a clockwise moment of 90 kilonewton meter 90 kilonewton meter at B and an anti-clockwise moment of anti-clockwise moment of 45 kilonewton meter 45 kilonewton meter at C. Find the magnitude and direction of the force. Find the magnitude and direction of the force. This diagram is shown in question paper. So this is the triangle A, B and C. At B produces clockwise moment of 90 kilonewton meter. At C produces anti-clockwise moment of 45 kilonewton meter, and this is 6 meter, 8 meter, 10 meter. This is a given problem. So this is very important problem. Generally it will ask for examination. So here in this problem, it's a triangle ABC in which force at A, you are applying force at A point, which is responsible to create a moment at B. Which is, if you are applying force at A, which creates a moment at B. The value of moment at B is 90 kilonewton meter. This is the moment. So when you are writing free body diagram at point B, it is creating clockwise moment of 90 kilonewton meter. So if it is rotating in clockwise direction, which type of force I have to apply at point A? If you apply force in this direction, it will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, if you apply force in this direction, then it will swing in this direction. So it will create a clockwise moment at point B. So to create this 90 kilonewton meter of moment, we should apply force in this direction, because if you apply this direction of force at A, which is responsible to create a clockwise moment at B. Similarly, you call it as FA, force at A, which is responsible to create clockwise moment at B. Similarly, there is another member. This is BC member. At C, you are having counterclockwise moment of 45 kilonewton meter. For vertical members, for vertical members, generally apply this kind of force Fx. It will create a sway in this direction, matlab it create a clockwise moment at another point. Similarly, for a vertical member, if you apply this kind of force in x direction, it will sway in this direction, which means it will create an anti-clockwise moment at another point. Similarly, for horizontal member is subjected to downward forces Fy, which means the body will swing in this direction, which means it will create an anti-clockwise for downward. Similarly, if it is a horizontal member, you are applying a force in upward direction Fy, it will sway in this direction, which means it create a clockwise on the other point. So these are the things of very important basic concepts required to solve this particular kind of problems. So here there is given in a statement that if you apply force at A which produces a clockwise moment of 90 kilonewton meter at B. Here if you get clockwise moment, you have to apply right side force. Instead of giving clockwise, if they are giving in anti-clockwise, then you have to apply the force in this direction. Please keep in your mind when you are solving this kind of problem. Now I am coming to horizontal member. At horizontal member at point C, it is producing anti-clockwise. If you apply downward force, then it will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Please be noted that if you apply in downward direction, it creates anti-clockwise. If you apply upward, it creates a clockwise. In this particular problem, they have given anti-clockwise moment at point C. So if you apply downward force at point B, this is Fy, which is responsible to create an anti-clockwise at point C. This is the free body diagram. The ultimate aim of the problem is to find a single magnitude and the direction of the force. So which means that the ultimate aim of the problem is F equals square root of Fx square plus Fy square, and direction theta equals tan inverse of magnitude of Fy by Fx. So these are the solution we want to compute using this data. Now I am computing Fa. So for this thing, consider moment at B. If you take moment at B, MB, which is equal to, only consider this vertical member, MB, which is equal to Fa into distance is the 6 meter and this is 8 meters. So Fa into or Fx. In other words, you can say Fx. You can say Fx into perpendicular distance. So which means MB equals Fx into 6. This is the perpendicular distance. What is the value of MB? Clockwise 90. So 90 equals Fx into 6. What is the value of Fx? 90 by 6. Fx is 15 kilonewton. Fx is 15 kilonewton. Similarly, next consider moment at C. Consider moment at C. If you consider moment at C, if you see the entire system, these two forces comes in picture. Therefore, Fx moving in this direction, because of this 6 meter, it take a turn in clockwise direction. So MC equals Fx into 6, and here Fy into 8 minus Fy into 8 minus Fy into 8. Have you considered my plus 90? Plus 90 is also there? No, only these two forces, Fx into 6 because it's already considered a force. So moment at C is responsible of these two forces, which means MC is minus 45. We know Fx value. Fx is 15 into 6 minus 8 Fy. Right? So it will become minus 45 minus 90 minus 8 Fy. So minus 135 minus 8 Fy. Minus minus get cancels. Fy equals 135 by 8. Fy equals 135 by 8. How much?
16.87
kilonewton. So Fy equals 16.87 kilonewton. Now, what is the single magnitude F and theta? For the computation of F, that is magnitude. F equals square root of Fx square 15 square plus 16.87 Fy square. What is the value of F? 15 square plus 16.87 square root of answer
22.57
kilonewton. This is one answer. It's a single magnitude. Find the magnitude. Magnitude is 22.57 kilonewton. Similarly, direction, that is theta equals tan inverse of magnitude of Fy 16.87 divided by Fx 15. What is the value of theta?
48.36 degree.
48.36 degree. The direction is theta equal 48.36 degree. So this is very important problem. The steps to be followed in a simple ways. The first thing is direction. Which kind of force is responsible to create this effect of moment like clockwise and anti-clockwise. For this you have to remember these basic steps. The next step is same computation of Fx. For vertical member you take moment at B. For horizontal member both Fx and Fy will come into picture. That is a very important step here. And find Fx and Fy. Finally compute a single force using F equals square root of Fx square plus Fy square, and direction theta equal tan inverse of Fy by Fx. It's a very important problem. Please follow this step to solve this problem. Thank you.